edges on. Really cool. We should get just as you know, this is not the glitter gels. It's actually the no wipe top coat glitters. It's really something I like it so much because when you're done with clients, it's solids and you don't want to do anything else on it. Just one layer, one coat of the top coat, and then you are good to go. And I'm going to using one of really a dark orange. Can you get me one of a darker orange one? Because I want to show really good on this background. So I have 2 coats of this. You can have something similar to this if you want to. The thing is, I'm using one of this, Salmon Run. So if you have something similar, absolutely works great. And I am going to drop 1 drop of really a bright orange. Like bright. You can do anything. You can do green. Last time we did green too, remember? Hi, Fire. Hey, Messi. How are you? Hey, China. How are you? Just 1 coat. Might be too much. We'll see how it turns out. And I am going to using a Blossom gel. Apply 1 coat. So you can do so many different ways with Blossom gel, and this is one of the way we can do. Get closer to Halloween, I will share with you, do dripping bloody on the nails. I'm excited with that. So I am going to swirl this one. If you want more, I'm gonna drop it a little bit more. Hey, Cece. We'll see how it's gonna turn out for us. 1 coat, and I have my ginger brush right here on my side, and pick up on the edges of it. And you can just slice it. You don't have to do a lot. A little bit of whoop. You can do this with rose gold. You can do with silver. I think we did the other day, we did silver. Just great. I want to have some background for that. Okay, so now I'm going to flash here. If you're happy with this, more orange, drop more orange on it. You just need to lay your gel polish to wherever you want, and basically the Blossom gel will do the work for you. Great. Okay, here. And you can do with clear, doesn't matter, however you would like. And then with this one, you can either do sticker. Was stunning though. Should we go sticker with flowers, or we do chamfer foil? Chamfer foil looks good too. There's so many of them. So I am going to doing one coat of no white top coat. I am going to apply it on. You can do flash cure 30 seconds or full cure, doesn't matter. It's not gonna affecting anything at all. It's just, and then we're gonna put stickers over that. It works the best. So I get my Summer Collections Butterflies Fall. Something like that. Or maybe butterflies. We'll see how things gonna turn out. Then we'll pick the butterflies for this look. Good, so now is dry with the top coat. I am going to, I keep clicking on this, using this. I really like that. I'm gonna add just, maybe just, use a little gold and black. I cut it just the other day. This is so cute. You don't have to. I'm just having fun with this, so I'm showing you. Yo. Hey, Macy. To another one. Looks really good and is gripped perfectly on the top of the top coat. And that one is design number 146, like gold and black lines, I think. And so now, if you don't want to go with the chamfer foil, you can absolutely using the fun sleeve stickers here we have. I have. Looks so natural, looks so. But using that one. And then another one. Same kind, if you want same kind, smaller. I think this one is the same style. Same kind of leaf, but smaller. And we're going down a little bit right here. That's it. Look at that owl. So cute. You can put it on if you want to. I might do one butterflies on this. You don't have to if you don't want. I just want it, so I'm gonna put it. Hey Meek, hey Mika, hey hello, hey Tracy, hey Rasmin, how are you? Hope you are doing great. Happy Friday. With this, I'm gonna pick a little bit darker butterflies, maybe that one. We'll see how it's gonna turn out. There's so many options, and they're so adorable. Oh, the purple one looks super cute too. Great. And then keep in mind, if you're doing a different background, it will give it a different look. So just fun. I am going to using some condensed glue gel. I put some crystal on. I might need some smaller one. Some smaller one. Pumpkin spice. And really thick density, so you just need a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And no wipe top coat. If you want to do a matte, you can put the matte on instead of no wipes. But I'm gonna do the shiny top. Hi, Nene. No, we know that you're here. What's a black sticks you're using? Denise, this is our dual end tweezers right here. So this is on one end is the really sharp tweezers. Is pick your stickers so fast and easy. It's really precise. And the other end to using it to rub our silicone parts, that is, you can rub it on the top of your nails, and it give a lot of good heating and pressures will help all the stickers, and chamfer foil will adhere to the nails really good and fast. So that is a dual end tweezer. You can find it on our website under two categories. Really sharp. So when you get this, just really be careful and do not do this. Where is my silicone protect cap? So make sure you keep this, because you poke me quite a few times because it's really sharp, which is we like it like that. So I'm gonna using pumpkin spice and smaller size, maybe size SS6 or smaller, and I'm just using it for my butterflies. I only have one butterflies right here. You can put more. You can put little ones here, little one here. You can do however you like. Touch it. Oh, thank you, Denise. Hey, Shina. Thank you, Denise, for tuning in. Hope you're enjoying it. How everyone doing Friday? Hope you have a great day, whether you are at home or going out. Have a great time and be safe, okay? So there's a lot of tutorials. If you miss it from so many different streams that we do, absolutely you can re-watching them from our IGTV and our Facebook videos or our YouTube channels. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple more. It looks so adorable, so I'm decided to do some, but that's about it. If you want more, absolutely super cute. Here for 60 seconds. I know you are like toning is really